Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be installing some LED reverse lights for my taillights, my 2018 F150. Huge shout out to LASFIT for sending me out some LED reverse lights. Let's go ahead and install them and see how it goes. So this is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while now. I just never got around to it. I did the cargo lights, I did the map lights, or not the map lights, the tag lights. I did the fog lights, the headlights. I never got around to doing the tail lights. So as you guys may not know, or if you do know, my truck's an STX, so it comes with halogen bulbs. So let me show you what that looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and get yourself an 8mm ratchet. 2 bolts, super easy. Let me show you where they are. 2 8mm bolts, one right here and one right here. So. Right, and now this LED, this tail light should be able to just pop out. All right, so here we go. And the reverse light is going to be this middle one right here. That's the reverse light. These two are the tail lights. So we're gonna go ahead and just twist this one. Go ahead and pop that one out. And let's go ahead and open up this LASFIT bulb. Here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back into this harness right here. And it should just snap right in. Now let's go ahead and test it out and see if it lights up. All right, so it lights up really well. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into the hole here, and then go ahead and twist it shut. There we go. Now let's go ahead and put it back into the truck. All right, and then using the same holes, we'll go ahead and install the bolts back with the 8mm ratchet. All right, it's nice and back in. Let's go ahead and do the other side. So there you guys go. Those lights are so much more bright. They look so much cleaner. Don't know why Ford doesn't just, I don't know why they have factory bulbs. Even the 2020s, like this just 2021s, they just got these halogen bulbs, man. I mean, dude, these trucks are $40-something thousand now. I don't know why they put halogen bulbs and 2-foot tall antennas, but whatever. They look super cool. Thank you, LASFIT, for sending me out. If you guys want a pair of these reverse lights, I'll put a link in the description where you can go ahead and check it out. Now, one thing I do have to mention, you may be wondering, well, how come we don't change out the bulbs in the tail light? Well, the only thing is, if you change these bulbs out, you're gonna need a resistor kit, because if you just try to change that bulb out, you're gonna get some hyper flash. So to change out those bulbs, you'll have to get a resistor kit. I think Grey Goose Design has a resistor kit for the tail lights. If you want to change the bulbs out, I'm not going to change them out. I don't know if I'm going to keep these tail lights, or I might change them out to aftermarket tail lights, but for now, I kind of like them for now. It's just a nice, clean, simple look. And that's the thing with this truck. My truck is basically OEM plus. Could it come like this from the factory? Yes, it could have. These LED reverse lights are a must, and I don't know why I never did them. I did the tail lights, I did the cargo lights, I did the third brake lights, I did the fog lights, I did the headlights, did the grill lights. I just never got around to doing these reverse lights. So like I said, huge shout out to LASFIT for sending me out one of these bulbs. Go ahead and check it out, link in the description. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.